What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a banger, and as you can see before we start the video, I've actually changed up the set a little bit. Before it was over there and now it's over here, and within the next couple videos or so, this whole thing is going to be completely rearranged. I'm putting some decorations on the wall, getting some better lighting and some just better quality for the overall videos, so make sure you stay tuned and stay along for the ride. But today we have a video going over a different growth strategy for your theme page or your meme page, where you can grow a lot faster and get on the explore page a lot more as you're still growing and just starting your page. So this strategy isn't really going to work for pages that you've already started and are growing, but if you're thinking about starting a new page or you are in the process of starting a new page, you could put this into effect and you'll get on the explore page almost every time under 1,000 followers. So putting this into context, the way I figured this out is I was starting a new Instagram theme page at survival.lifestyles. I made this page a long time ago and got it up to 6,000 or 7,000 followers, and I sold it just recently, but I got the name back and I started a new page with the same name because it worked out really well for me and I liked it. So I went ahead and made the page, and instead of just posting like every day as I'm doing follow for follow, I think I posted 2 posts on the first day and that's it. And then I started doing some follow for follow, and what I noticed is when people started following me from the follow for follow, instead of just following me, they would go and like both my posts, because it's not like they have a ton of posts to scroll through and sift through a bunch of different pictures. They only had 2 posts to like, so almost every single person that followed me would like either the first or the second post. And so then I thought about it a little bit, so I deleted the second post and I had 1 post up there, and I guarantee you almost every single person that followed me from the follow for follow or promotions liked that post. So right now I'm sitting at about 1,500 followers, and before this video I was at like I think 950 followers, and that post had 560 likes. So under 1,000 followers but getting 500 likes. So I wanted to see if it kept working. So after that post kind of peaked out at 600 likes, and so I was kind of curious, so I went and posted a different post still around 950 followers, and what do you expect? The post got 600 likes within the first 3 hours, which was honestly amazing. I'd never seen any page under 1,000 followers get engagement like this. I went ahead and put it into my online Instagram engagement calculator, and it was at almost 30%, which is crazy. The comments were super high and the likes were almost incredible for the amount of followers. So then I just continued to do follow for follow, and as I was doing that I was posting more posts, because instead of the people that following me after I have more posts, instead of going back and liking the first post which already have a ton of likes, they're going to probably like either the first or second most recent posts, which are going to go ahead and get a lot of likes. So every post I have on that account is getting way more likes than it should right now with the amount of engagement, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly how I did that and how you can get this amount of engagement with your page being under 1,000 followers. And once again, the page that I did this with is a survival page, so it's kind of the camping, photography, survival niche. But if you guys want to try this out, go ahead and do it, but it'll probably work for any other niche also. So whatever niche you're starting in or want to start in, this will probably work as well, but then you got to make sure it has at least a couple populated pages that have a lot of followers that you can go ahead and post in. So first things first, when I picked a post, I just went into another bigger page in my niche. I actually went to the page I sold and went ahead and reposted some of the pictures I posted on that page at the beginning. In the captions I kind of asked a question, like I said, rate this camping spot from 1 to 10, and I actually didn't put any hashtags in the caption. And yes, hashtags will get you a few likes and comments depending if you get on the explore page or not, but I actually didn't use them, and obviously it worked for me. I got on the explore page, and then since my posts were getting so many likes, what actually happened is Instagram algorithm saw that I had not a lot of followers, but my posts were getting a lot of likes. So then after that, on my posts that I posted after that, they were bringing them onto the explore page. So all my posts right now are on the explore page and they're getting a lot of likes. I think it's kind of dying down now, and I'm getting about 300-450 likes per post, which is still a lot being at 1,500 followers. So I would say don't use hashtags because you don't really need them in order to the situation, because you're not really going to be getting likes from hashtags and comments from hashtags. If you really want to, you can. It doesn't hurt you at all, but most of the likes that you're going to be getting is going to be coming from your followers. After you find a good populated account with good engagement, you want to go ahead and find their most recent posts, preferably within the last couple hours or the last day at maximum, and you want to go ahead and click on the likes, which you can actually see who liked the post. And then what you want to do is follow the people that like the post, so you know they're active people in the niche. You know they're not just bot followers or fake followers. You know they're actually active in the niche, and you can go ahead and follow them, and the chances are they're going to be a lot more inclined to follow you back, being that you're not just spamming in followers. They know that they're in the same niche as you and they're liking the same content that you're posting. And if you guys want to go ahead and get the exact same results and are starting in the survival niche, I would give you full permission to go onto my page that gets a lot of likes at survival.lifestyles. Again, go ahead and follow all the people that have liked my most recent post, and I almost guarantee you at least half of them will follow you back because they followed me from follow for follow. So if they did it for me, then they're probably going to do it for you. And I started this only like a week ago and it's already at 1,600 followers, so it means they're not going to be inactive for a long time. And just to help you guys out, I'm going to post a picture on that account right before I publish this video. So if you're watching this within the first couple hours of the release, then there'll be a brand new post on that account that you guys can go ahead and follow on that post, and it'll work out for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So it's been been a pretty short video. I hope you guys watched through the whole video. If you guys did, I really appreciate you. Make sure you like and subscribe. This channel is growing way faster than I ever thought it would. We're already at 410 subscribers, which is a lot more than we were last month at only 200 subscribers. So we've gained over 100 subscribers per month so far, and that's pretty good. Hopefully we're monetized sometime in 2021, which as of right now it looks like we will be. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram at Ethan, Kinng with 2 N's, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'm out. Peace.